Namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Adi and I am the Black Yogi. Here on this channel we practice yoga, meditation, Zen, and even sometimes mini series like this one that you're tuned into right now. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the videos if you love my content that I upload. Subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing helps to keep yoga and meditation free and accessible virtually. So be sure to support me by giving this video a thumbs up, comment, and sharing this video with anyone that you know that can benefit from a yoga practice for their spine, for their back, for back pain, right? So all of these videos that I'll be posting during this series will be completely beginner friendly, and I'll offer modifications and just really walk you through the practice, okay? Today we'll start from a plank position. Starting in a plank position, maybe your plank is with your knees already down. Maybe your plank is fully extended. From the plank, lower down, knees, chest, chin. Come into a posture that we call Bhujangasana. So just really arch your back here, really point and flex. Breathing in and out. And extend by stretching your legs out. Or maybe you lie your face to the side and take a cleansing breath here. Inhale and exhale out. Good. For this next posture, we'll place our palms down on the mat, one over the other. Rest your forehead comfortably down. Inhale. Lift your right leg up. Exhale, lower your right leg down. Left side, inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, lower your left leg down. Inhale, right. Exhale, lower the leg down. Inhale, left. Exhale, lower the left down. Few more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. From here, grab hold of your ankle, your foot, however you can get there. So take your left arm, grab your left ankle, your left foot, your left leg. Stretch your right arm out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Few more. Last one. Lower down and switch sides. Left arm comes out, right arm grabs the right foot, ankle, or leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And lower down. From here, we're going to come into our Sphinx pose. So rest comfortably on your forearms. Body is down. Inhale, lift up. So don't crank your neck back. Just gaze forward, breathing in and out. And exhale, slowly lower down. Inhale, place your hands next to the body, pushing yourself up to all fours. From all fours, tuck the toes and lift from your sacrum, coming into your downward dog. Maybe your knees are bent. Maybe they're straightened. Whatever feels most comfortable for you. Press down into the palms of your hands. Relax your head, your neck, gazing at your navel center. Breathing in and out. And inhale, exhale, come down onto all fours and relax. So thank you for sharing this practice with me. If you enjoyed anything about this practice, leave it in the comment section. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this sequence so far, click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Remember, commenting, sharing, and clicking the thumbs up, those all help to keep yoga free virtually. So support me in doing that. There's also a couple fun things in the description box about the GoFundMe and the renovations that we're doing here in Birmingham, Alabama. So if you would love to contribute, I would love to have you. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Namaste.